Hey up, YouTubers. Hey up. I'm going to roughly show you how I sharpen my buck hunting knife. I like this knife to be reasonably sharp because who wants a blunt knife, eh? This does quite a lot of my everyday things. It's a good all-rounder. Nice and thick. Lovely strong handle, like soft rubber but with brass through the centre. I got this fairly cheap. Tell you how I got this knife. I was in a hunting shop and said, "Oh, do you stock buck knives?" And they went, "Well, yeah, I do actually have one, yes." So he showed me it. Well, yeah, it's alright. The only reason he got it in is because he ordered it in. Somebody ordered it. And the man who owned the shop, he got it in for him. And he never went back for it. So, yeah, that's how I ended up with this. I got it cheap, the man had it, because they're not cheap knives, they're fairly expensive. I got it a hell of a lot cheaper than, I seen this on a website, can't think what it was now, I think it was 90 quid. Tell you what, I didn't pay that much for it. Oh no. No, I wouldn't have paid 90 quid for this. No. I'd want a nice wooden handle if it was 90 quid at least. But yeah, very nice, hygienic. All rubber. It comes with a corduroy pouch book with plastic inserts, so it's all hygienic. So, because when I'm like, if you're out skinning deer or gutting rabbits and bits and bobs like that, it's handy. Get home, rinse it under hose pipe and just oil it off. Right, here we go, before we get carried away talking like that. How I sharpen me knives, right? I'm a qualified butcher come slaughterman and I'm a fishmonger. So every day there's a knife in my hand all day, okay? My knives have got to be in bang on order or my job becomes hard. Okay, right. Cheap oilstone. I think this is a Draper one, used for sharpening carpenter's chisels. It's all you need for your outdoor knives. You do not need anything else, I can promise you. You got that, see the thick bit, that's the coarse side. That'll take metal off the blade and put your edge on. Okay, the fine side, use a little bit less pressure, and this is what will polish the edge and make it sharp, very sharp, as you're going to see. Okay, right, let's go. Let's get the camera ready. You see, I hope you can see. Put it there, right. All I'm going to use, you can use WD-40, you can use water, you can use anything, bit of olive oil. I'm just going to use some of this. First thing to me hand in the cupboard, because I'm doing it in my kitchen. But anything, lubricant, water I normally use at work. But I'm not going to go up and down to the sink. Right, here we go. We're on the coarse side. I don't need to do a lot of this because my knife has got its edge on it. So I'll just basically show you. You want to get your 30 degree and press. Same again with the other side. And again. Right, that's all I'm doing on that side for me. You might need more depending in the state of your knife. Right. Mine only needs that amount because it didn't really need it, but I've showed you. It's not going to affect it. Right, here we go. This is where it starts working, the magic. Same angle again, keeping the same motion. So I've got a comfy bit on it. That's my side. That's it. Just wipe the shit off my knife. Keep going. So you're just not using as much pressure this time. You can hear it. You know when it's sharp because it sounds good. If you keep that motion. Now that's getting better. Just think you're trying to shave a real small piece of it. And when you get near the end, just the weight of the knife up and down. Right, that's me done. I could go on a bit longer and then I could use a bloody steel, a right nice fine steel. But my kit isn't with us. That's nice. That's nice. Cutting paper. Shit for your knives, but it shows you if it's a fucking sharp knife, doesn't it? Cutting paper. Is that good enough? See if I can feather it. It's a big knife, you see, it's real thick, so it's... If I got my boning knife out, I'll show you how sharp that is. This will be good in the field. There you go. You get the idea. That's sharp. It's not mega sharp, but it's sharp for the field. It's a different type of sharpness. My angles, I like that for work. The one I've put on my field knife, I like that. They last longer, but they're not shaving sharp. Okay. Right, leave your comments. Tell me what you think. If I bored you to fucking death. Alright. Take care, everyone. Enjoy.